Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to see your Roblox password. So guys, I'm gonna show you multiple solutions, so watch till the end. So for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So this is the first solution. It's just simply go to the settings, and after that go to the password, and from there just simply search for Roblox. And hopefully if you save your password, you should be able to see it. Now guys, for Android users, just simply go to the settings into your device. And now here on the settings, just simply scroll down and then go for the Google. And now from here, just simply tap on your account, guys. And after that, tap on a Google account. Now from here, guys, just simply tap on the search icon on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply search for password manager. And after that, just simply tap on the password manager over here. And now, guys, if you save your password into your Google, best chances you should be able to see your Roblox password over here. So just simply scroll down and tap on the Roblox over here. And now from here, guys, when you tap on the eye icon, you should be able to see your password. Now, guys, if any of these doesn't work, another option that you have is just simply go to your Roblox application. And after that, just simply tap on sign in at the bottom over here. And just simply tap on forgot password or username at the bottom. And now from here, you will be redirected to the recover your Roblox account and just simply provide your email over here. And after that, just simply tap on submit. And from there, guys, an email will be sent to you. So just simply go to your email. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply tap on reset password. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide your new password over here. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you have any questions still, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.